Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on our triple time steps with a triple break on the right and left leg. So, let's begin. For this step, we'll be using the ball of our foot. The ball of the foot is where the triangle tap is on your tap shoe. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet like so. And starting with the right leg first, we're going to perform a shuffle followed by a hop on the supporting leg. Next, with the right leg, we have a shuffle to the side followed by a spring again onto the right leg. We then have a brush with the left leg like so. Then a step, left then right, ending with our weight on our right leg. We can then perform these steps on the left leg, a shuffle followed by a hop on the supporting leg. With the left leg, we have a shuffle to the side followed by a spring onto the left leg. Then a brush with the right leg. And finally a step, right then left, ending with our weight on our left leg. Let's piece together the triple time step starting with the right leg. Perfect! Let's move on to the break. So again, starting with the right leg, we have a shuffle followed by a hop on the supporting leg like so. Then we have a shuffle to the side with the right leg followed by a spring onto the right leg. Then a shuffle step into parallel with the left leg and then the same with the right leg. Then a shuffle ball change with the left leg. Perfect! Let's place all those steps together. The triple time step with a triple break, starting with the right leg first. We then can perform these steps starting with the left leg. So we have a shuffle followed by a hop on the supporting leg, a shuffle spring with the left leg, a brush with the right leg, and finally a step, right then left. We then perform these steps with the right leg, a shuffle followed by a hop. We then have a shuffle to the side with the right leg, followed by a spring, a brush with the left leg, then a step, left then right, ending with our weight on our right. Let's place those steps together, starting with the left leg. Perfect. Let's move on to the break. So with the left leg, we have a shuffle followed by a hop. Next, with the left leg, we have a shuffle to the side followed by a spring onto the left leg. We then have a shuffle step into parallel with the right leg, then the left leg. Then a shuffle ball change with the right leg. Let's place all those steps together, starting with the left leg. Perfect! Let's place all the steps that we've learnt together, the triple time steps on the right and left leg with a triple break. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to rise onto the balls of the feet and start with the right leg first. Perfect! So there you have it, the triple time steps.